Hi, we're going to clean body eyes before going to sleep. See? That's how you're going to clean your dog every day. Clean the eyes. Always clean before he's going to bed. Good body. And this is more comb. This I'm gonna use to cut the small dirt. No, baby, no. Oh, good boy. You can see that. You see the dirt? That's the dirt. Then you wipe it again. Then I'm going to throw that. Next, before he goes to bed, I'm gonna clean his ear. Need to check the ear every night. Not every night. Every night you're gonna clean the ear, but of course you need to check. Maybe. And now he's going to brush his teeth. Hold on, baby. Don't move. Don't move. Here. Okay, sit down again. We're gonna brush your teeth. Just put there. Come on, baby. Yes, baby. You see the camera, baby? Oh, that's how baby boy brushed the teeth. When I got this dog, the teeth is full of tartar. Then clean it well. His teeth is very clean. So every night I brush his teeth before he's going to bed. Look at that. Show your teeth, baby. Ooh, show the teeth. Show the teeth, baby. Yes. No. Yeah. Can you see that teeth? This one you need to brush that. See? Come on, baby. This is the special toothpaste for the dog. You need to examine, I either have tartar or whatever. So see, baby, my boy is good boy. It's a good boy. That's how you brush your dog. Good boy, good boy. Okay, after brushing, what I'm gonna do, I spray this. This is, this is direction. Gently elevate the upper lips to expose teeth and gums. Spray liberally on each side of the mouth, coating teeth and gums well. Apply daily. So this is what we're doing. It's look like less stirring for human, but come on, baby, come on. Really gonna spray. Look at that, baby. Oh baby, oh baby. Okay, now is finished the cleaning the teeth. So I need to massage his gum. Okay. Oh, I know. Come on. So next, I'm gonna do is, I need to put that in the water to clean it. So I wanna take out this wet wipe, or sometimes you need to use towel. So I wipe him. See, look like I clean his body more than I clean myself for her. See? That's how I clean my baby boy. He's a good boy. See, look at that. Hello, I am a good boy. Look at this, baby. Every day, we walk 2 times a day. And first in the morning, I make sure I bring the dog to feed. Then after that, come back, then eat. Then after that, walk again after 20 minutes so that it can poop. And afternoon, also, I walk him. Then before he goes to bed, I make sure that he pee also. That's until in the morning. The first we do in the morning is bring our dog to pee. Bring out to pee. Because you cannot let the dog waiting for holding the pee for too long. That's the urinary tract infection happen. So hope you enjoy our video today. This is the boy. He's very clean, ready to sleep. I love you, baby. And thank you for watching. Hope you like our video today. And those haven't subscribed yet, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.